Hi, I'm Michelle Sterling for Friends of Science Society. I thought I'd just save some of my 4,000 parts per million carbon dioxide emissions because maybe one day I can trade them on the global markets, because I think that's what they're doing right now at COX and in the G20. They're trying to figure out Article 6 so you can buy and sell carbon dioxide. You know, the stuff you breathe out. So anyway, I was talking with a friend the other day about the carbon tax and how the whole thing is really falling apart. Because, there's something that people don't really realize, that the whole idea in the Supreme Court ruling was that there would be a uniform tax for everybody across Canada, no favoritism. And the whole idea of this uniformity was to retain, peace, order, and good government as a nation. That's our motto as a country. But it's not uniform anymore because the Liberals gave a dispensation to the heating oil issue down in the Maritimes. And Quebec has a carbon trading agreement with California. And I think they're only paying about maybe $40 a ton there equivalent. Now, they don't get a rebate, but, it's obviously not uniform. And so, one of the things is with the cap and trade agreement that allows Quebec to actually have higher emissions than the rest of the country, which doesn't seem to be very uniform to me. And also, if the tax isn't some kind of a backstop to prevent interprovincial leakage, then it's not a uniform tax and it doesn't meet the original standard, which was national unity and peace, order, and good government, does it? And, we also know that we're not meeting our climate targets, and we know that carbon dioxide is not the control knob that can fine-tune climate. So really, what is the carbon tax and why are we still having to suffer this humiliating, poverty-inducing legislation that does nothing but enrich green crony capitalists and makes the rest of us poor? Why? Why do it? Why do it anymore? We can see what's happening in the UK. We can see what's happening in Germany. Both countries are going into deindustrialization and degrowth. Meantime, our largest trading partner to the south does not have a carbon tax, and with the Trump administration coming in, they're going to be moving all this woke climate change stuff to the back burner. Where's that going to put Canada? We're going to be in big trouble. So that's some food for thought. Talk about it with your friends and neighbors. For Friends of Science Society, I'm Michelle Sterling.